favorite things to do in Phuket when it's raining. Hello, welcome to Where to Phuket. If you plan to visit this island, you most likely want to enjoy the beach or outdoor activities because here is one of the, let's say, tropical paradise. But the weather here is not quite predictable. Many people have concerns about the weather. Now, as the local people also said that here is 8 months rain, 4 months shine. Even the shiny months, there could still be some days that is raining. So in order to profit from your not so lucky day, what can you do? I'm going to give you 7 ideas of how to manage with the rainy days. Alright, are you interested? Let's get started. Number 1, to eat local food. Yes, if you are by the beach all day, you may have had enough of seafood or the food that costs like a tourist price. Why not head to Phuket town and eat the real local food at the local price? Phuket, apart from the sea, sand, sun, is also known for having a very good food. UNESCO named Phuket as one of the creative cities for gastronomy. And in Thailand, Phuket is the only one, not Bangkok, not elsewhere. So that says something, right? The food in Phuket is very unique from other places in Thailand. Okay, partly it has the southern kind of food, but it also has been influenced highly by the Muslim and the Chinese, Hokkien and Cantonese. So it has this blend, but also variety that you can enjoy a lot in Phuket town. So that's the number 1 thing that you should not miss. Number 2, to drink coffee in a cafe. You may be surprised that Thai people love going to cafes so much, and there's a lot of new ones coming out. It's very hard to keep pace with the new shops opening. But what I'm suggesting is not to take pictures in nicely decorated cafes because that's really superficial. But really to enjoy the atmosphere in the nice cafe that serve really good coffee. Thai people is very serious about the taste of the coffee, and there are quite a number of good baristas that make good coffee. So if you want to have good coffee at a local price in a nice place, you can first try with these 5 Campus, the Shelter, Momus, Remedy and Honest, plus another one, Graph, which is from Chiang Mai. They have been so famous and now they opened its first branch in Phuket on Phang Nga Road. So all these 6 cafes are good place, nice atmosphere and good coffee. Number 3, shopping. How can you be in Thailand without shopping? And when it's rainy day, it's the best chance that you can go and buy some good quality stuff at the good price. I'm sure cheaper than most of the countries in the world. When I say shopping, I don't mean just to go to the malls, even though there are some quite good shopping malls like Central Festival, but also those little shops on the roadside. For example, on Talang Road, there are many of them that sells good quality local products like dress, shirt, garments, souvenirs, snacks and even home decoration items. So number 4, to see. There are many things that you can see under the roof. For example, if you go to museums like the Tai Hua Museum in the Old Town, you would learn more about Phuket on a different angle than just the fun part. The history, the tradition, the way the people live in the past to present, how they dress, how they cook, how they eat, how they related in the family members, how they decorate the house and so on. So it's good to learn in depth about the place that you visit and not just things that you see in the daily life. And not just museum. If you are on the art side, then there are some art galleries that you could also visit and enjoy. And there's also some old mansions in Phuket that act partly like a museum but also as a restaurant. For example, the Blue Elephant restaurant in the Phuket town is a really beautiful old mansion that you can enjoy fine dining food there as well. Or Ban Chin Pacha, which is next to the Blue Elephant, is also a house opening that you can visit, and there's also a little cafe there that you can have a rest sipping coffee. And another place that is highly recommended is Ban Ajaw in Mai Khao area. Ban Ajaw is 86 years old mansion. It used to be a resort for mining businessmen of a really old and big family, and now it has a Tok Dang restaurant which earned a Michelin in 2022 and 23. I could say that is the best and the most famous restaurant in the northern part of Phuket. Yeah, so if you visit the area, you should not miss going to Ban Ajaw. Number 5, get treated. Thailand is known for offering good service with a very attractive price, so why not reward yourself with some treatment like having a Thai massage or going to spa, having a traditional medical treatment, or having haircut, having tattoo, or whatever that you like. All those things are done under the roof, so it would be safe from the rain and you would enjoy yourself and taking a break from all the adventure or beach activities. Number 6, get trained. Why not improve your skill, learn something new about Thailand? For example, you could learn to do Thai massage, learn Thai boxing or Muay Thai, or even cooking class. There are some famous restaurants that offering cooking classes that you can attend. For example, like in Ban Ajaw. It's a good thing that once you go home, you could show your friends what you have learned by visiting Phuket. Number 7, if you have done all these or you are not comfortable with the first 6, number 7 is probably the least that you can do. Is to enjoy your hotel. You may have spent a big amount of money for your night, or even small money, it doesn't matter. It's just to learn and benefit from everything your hotels could offer. It could be from feeling the bed, the pillow that are different from your own home, or you could go to the fitness, strengthen your body, and you can also swim in the pool. You don't mind swimming under the rain, right? And or to explore the neighborhood of your hotel, if there are anything interesting that you can just run quickly and then explore it. And if not all that, probably just to chit chat with the hotel staff, ask about the life of the local, what they do, what they eat, at least learn something like inside information from the real local people. That could be the time well spent. Alright, I hope you find this clip useful, and if so, please click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.